All right, friends, today we are working on this room you see right here. This is going to close out my fall series for 2024. And when you come back and see me next week, we will be into the throes of Christmas decorating. Okay, so I think this is worth bringing up because I have had quite a few new subscribers and they may not already know this. But when we purchased this house, I asked the builder, I said, what is this little room intended for? And he said, well, it could be anything, a little utility room, extension off the kitchen, whatever you want to do with it. It is very, very small. And currently this is what I have in here. Now this piece goes to the top of my rustic imports hutch that used to be in here, but I ended up using the buffet part of it. You can separate them. And I sort of wanted to use this as a mantle look, if you will, with shelves. You know, at the time, I just didn't know what to do with this room, and this is what worked for me. Now, in the future, if we do decide to stay in West Virginia, we'll have to make a decision. Do we want to stay, or do we want to permanently go back to Virginia? So we have some decisions to make, but we have time. In the meantime, if we do decide to stay, this could be an extension of the kitchen. You could bring in some more white cabinetry, maybe some uppers. Maybe we do just lowers and make a coffee bar with shelving. I don't know, but that is an option we have talked about should we decide to stay. But if we don't, we probably won't invest the money in that. We would probably let the new homeowners decide what they want to do with this room. In any case, this is what we're using it for, and it's just a little sitting room. That's sort of what it's being used for right now, but today we're going to finish up fall. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. This little banner came with something I ordered. I can't remember what it was on Amazon, and I thought, what am I going to do with that? And I thought, you know, it is cute. It's got pumpkins, leaves, acorns, and I thought that would look really cute hanging on the curtain rod. So that's what I did. Over here in this corner, I have an olive tree from Amazon, and I did my spotlight behind it. I'll link it below. You can see how pretty it looks here in this corner, uplit. Anyway, let's move over here. This is a wall embellishment I found on Etsy, and I made it my own by going to Hobby Lobby. I got one of their hooks, and I found this wood lantern, also from Hobby Lobby, slapped an LED candle on it, and made this piece unique. Moving over here, I got this artwork from Amazon. You get 4 pieces, so I have these 2. And then over here, I have 2 more pieces. Little table from Hobby Lobby, Ashley Furniture, club chair, and then we've got this. If you're new to my channel, I love myself a cottage French country kind of look, so I oftentimes like to add shutters on either side of mirrors or artwork and embellish with a little architectural piece above. So I have that piece, then a shutter, and then another shutter over here. And I should point out that these vinyl shutters that I get on Amazon, they come in different colors, and you can also paint them, whitewash them, dry brush them to give them a really, really unique, rustic kind of look. And when you do that, it actually makes it look like a real wood shutter as opposed to, you know, this clean white looking shutter. Now, seasonally, I always like to hang a beautiful wreath from my mirrors. And I really, really like this look. But now what we're going to do is fill in and make this look very fallish and fun. By the way, let's talk about this. This is a galvanized steel cake stand. You can see right there. I've just placed a Hobby Lobby wreath down on it. And I like it because it has these little branches. It looks very rustic, very organic, and you could potentially, stick in some fall picks. I'm not going to do that. I'm leaving it simple because I will be adding plenty of color up top. And then I have this cage lamp that I found at Home Goods years ago. And I really like that look with the glow of the Edison bulb. And then we have one at this end too. Let's kick things off by adding this big giant wooden pumpkin. Now how about this black and white checkered pumpkin from Hobby Lobby? Alrighty, now let's go in with some boldness with this black autumn sign from Wayfair. Okay, and now I have these two cute block pumpkins with little stems. Very, very cute. And I'm going to put those on the other side to add a pop of color. So I just added a little sprig of eucalyptus, and I like that better, as opposed to them just sitting there on their own. So I might do one over here too. Okay, so moving right along. I think it looks cute. I think we can move on. And then I have this cute sign that says hay rides, bonfires, leaves, sweaters, and pumpkins. Super cute. This beautiful wreath, and it ties in really well with that one. You can see all the colors. I'm going to use it as sort of a textural backdrop right in there. Sometimes I just like to decorate with objects to fill in as, little architectural pieces. So these are some really cute taper candle holders I found on Amazon. Just going to place them in the corner to fill in. These beautiful harvest plates that go really well with my color scheme, as you can tell. So I'm going to come down here and do a plate display. And now I'm going in with this beautiful plate I got on Amazon. I like to mix and match plates. And then I have two of these little ceramic pumpkins. Okay, so now we're gonna work down here, and I have these two green glass candle holders and some LED flameless flickering candles. So I'm gonna put a candle in each one. This pumpkin, but I don't know if I like the bright orange or the wood side. I'm sort of leaning towards this side. So I have a pop of black up top. I want to pull it down here. So I have these really cute checkered canisters that I found on Amazon, and I'm going to pop them down there again just to tie in that black. Now right here I have this little wall canvas that I got on Amazon, and again I'm simply going to put it down there to pull in some black. Now I have these two plates, and I'm going to pull in a pop of green with these plates. So now that this is all complete and festive for fall, let's now draw our attention to the top of this table. Okay, so right here on this table, I'm going to add this little candle lamp. So I found this on Amazon. Unfortunately, I don't think it's available, but you can put a candle up top. And I'm going to add this candle right here. I'm then going to add this wood riser. And you guys know how I love chickens and roosters, so we're gonna add this little cuteness to the top of the riser to elevate the look. Okay, and now I have this really cute arrangement that I found on Amazon. It comes in this little wood box with all these pumpkins and fall stems. So I'm going to set that right here. And so what I did was I had the lamp in the center, I moved it over, added that right there, and then my arrangement in the front. I love this look here on the table. Very fallish and fun. And to dress this chair up, I have this pillow that says, "Hello Fall." I got this on Amazon. It actually came with the insert, so it was a great deal. Okay, so now let's move our attention to this little corner right here. This is a super inexpensive table I got on Amazon. I don't like that look up top, so I'm going to add a round tray from Amazon. So I wanted to add a little bit of height. So I have this vase, And in it, I have a bunch of eucalyptus that I got on Amazon. This eucalyptus is just amazing because it is so bendable. You can literally bend it and move it any which way you want, and it always ends up looking great. But now I have these floral stems from Amazon, and these are what I like to call Hobby Lobby dupes because they just remind me of Hobby Lobby, and they're beautiful, and you get two when you order these. Have some wheat, and I'm going to place it right here. And now I'm going to add this little pumpkin candle beside it. And down below, another one of these checkered pumpkins. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm sorry I wasn't in the video this week. It has been so busy trying to get my Christmas treasures packed and in a U-Haul ready to take back to Virginia. We're heading back today, so you know what that means. Next week, it's game on for Christmas. Have a great weekend. See you next week.